What's goody, everybody? I'm Raw with Goody Art, and today I'm going to show you how to make character art in Photoshop. Let's dive into it.
So the first thing we're going to do is open up Photoshop. Once you have your image selected, go ahead and create a new file. And make sure the size is 2200 by 1600 pixels. Once you've opened that up, select File, Embed to Image, and then press Enter. Next, we're going to do a quick selection. Start selecting image, taking your time to go around all the edges. Once you're satisfied with that, create a layer mask, rasterize, and apply layer mask. Next, use the lasso tool to select only the head, and then press Ctrl or Command J. Select the bottom layer and press Ctrl or Command T. Make that bottom layer smaller, and then make the head layer a little bit bigger. Now select the head layer. Go to Effects and choose Liquify Effect, Forward Warp Tool, and move the neckline in to match the body layer or neck if needed. Select layers, right click, and convert to Smart Object. Next, you want to click on Liquify Filter, select the Face Aware selection, change the eyes, nose, and mouth, as well as the face shape to the settings I have here. Next, you're going to select the layer, press Command or Ctrl J 2 times to duplicate that layer. Rename the layers. Select the bottom layer and rename it to Effects, the mid to Details, and the top to Skin. Now hide the 2 top layers. Select the Effects layer, go to Sharpen, Smart Sharpen, change to 200, 1.5, and 0. Next, select Filter, Stylize, Oil Paint Filter, change the settings to 5, 3, 0.1, and 0, and make sure that the lighting is checked. Next, go to Filter Gallery, Artist Folder, and Poster Edges. Change the settings to 0, 0, 2. Next, select Filter Blur, Blur Surface, and change the settings to 15 and 7. Once you've done all this, reapply the oil filter values the same, and then go to Filter, Unsharp Mask, and change the settings to 140, 5, and 2. Next, select the Details layer and unhide it. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery, Poster Edges, and set the settings to 4, 4, and 6. Next, select Oil Paint Filter and set the settings to 10, 3, 0.1, and 0. And then you'll change the blend mode to Overlay and set the opacity to something under 30%. Now press Ctrl or Command J, change the blend mode to Pen Light, double click on the Filter Gallery, and change the settings to 6, 7, and 6. And then change the opacity to something below 50%. Rename this layer Outlines. Now select the skin layer and unhide it. Go to Filters, Other, High Pass, set it to 1.5, and then set the blend mode to Overlay. Then you want to group all 4 layers in their own separate folder, and you're all done.
Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. And make sure you smash that notification bell so you can be updated with the latest from Goody Art. I'll see you in the next one.